So to get that door handle out, there's a bolt here, another bolt here, there's 10 mils, and there's a clip, a retaining clip right here. So you pop that one out, get this one out, and this one. I don't know, sometimes it gives you, that's enough room to pull this rod out. Mine didn't have that, so I had to take these off. I had to loosen these down so I can actually pull the whole latch down and be able to fish, you know, the door handle out. But it was, I mean, it's the first time I do this, so learning experience pretty much. Now it's ready to, you know, get gutted, put the window down, and get the rest of the door. Get the rest of the door off, pull it out, and start working on it. Forgot to raise up the window to actually get the door handle off of this one. So now I have to do this janky stuff right here, just to, you know, get it going. It works. No time to unplug it. I haven't really filmed much of an update on this car, but I've been starting to do the jams. You know, I'm sanding it all down. Soon I'm gonna take this one off because I know I can get this one at the dealer. This one, these VIN numbers are actually gonna get covered. I'm gonna take the striker, taking the latches off. I'm gonna start removing this trim soon, the molding, this trim as well. Push this back, remove this molding as well. That way I can actually start getting into the jams. Once I'm done with the fender is gonna come off so I can actually get further in here. That way I can sand everything down and then have it ready for primer. And then I'll start getting into the quarter, but so far it's looking good. I took the door home, that way I can actually finish it faster. And then I'm gonna end up taking this door as well. The fender we're gonna change because, I mean, I'm not gonna use a fender that has like half an inch of Bondo in it, which I don't know how, man. Like it upsets me that, you know, I see this type of work on my line of work, that people can be so, I mean, I would say inexperienced, you know, just they don't bother fixing the metal work and then putting Bondo. They were just cave and pave, and that's pretty much all they probably know how to do. So new fenders coming in, we're gonna put a new fender on that. I'm gonna get the hood ready, and then I'm gonna start scuffing all this, get rid of the air ducts so I can actually start getting this one ready as well for paint. But I mean, doesn't look like there's much done to it, but bumper's done, fender is almost done. I'm gonna start getting into the jams. The door is almost done as well. I'm gonna take the trunk home. Surprisingly, I mean, the door fits inside the trunk of my Tesla, so this is pretty much how we the progress that we have right now. I mean, who knew, huh? That it would fit in the back of a Tesla. All the jams have to be done by hand, so you can't fit a block like this. They're not thin enough or skinny enough to fit them in here. And plus there's so many waves and lines on this stamping. Even then you can't even use a block, so you have to do everything by hand. And it is super tedious. So that is enough for the S2000. I gotta start working on my actual jobs. Like, for example, I have this Model 3 that I have to do. So gotta get to the recorder, rear bumper, and some more miscellaneous stuff, like, you know, removing door trim, all that stuff. But I feel like I'll make a separate video because of that, you know, like things that I work on. It's fun. I like this type of work. But I don't know, I feel like I should probably make more videos on this, you know, how to remove, install, repair Teslas, because it is my bread and butter, and I also own one. But I don't know, still thinking about it.